it's important to be able to stand up and be heard, but not only be heard, but be respected.
Don't be afraid. Speak your mind, ask questions. It's help out there.
You won't be like me waiting, wondering, how come nobody's interested? Well, people are. People do care. You don't want to have an attitude that says people don't care, because then you start giving up, you know. And I'm very, very blessed that I'm not, and I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't.
And to know that we have power in numbers, and if we come together raising an issue about whatever it may be, if we speak out about that thing, whatever it may be, there'll be an impact, and there will be people that will listen to us.
Once we start talking to each other and then getting together as a collective group and then going out as that group, that's what gets the ball rolling.
It's amazing if you just go around and just talk, and how many lives that it can touch, or how many hearts that it can touch. And then from there, it's just it's a cycle. People just are like, wow, you know what, that was amazing. That was amazing. Let's sit down and actually talk about this. Let's sit down and talk about the problems with disparity. Let's sit down and try to talk about how we can sit here and change the system and improve it for others.
If you're not willing to be a part of the solution, then you're part of the problem.
When we have more options and we feel that we're not stuck in a box, we're more creative and we just blossom.
I would just encourage people that they have the power to empower people. They have the power to inspire people. They have the power to encourage people.
It takes action, and action means that, you know, you can't just talk about something. You have to actually put your PhDs and your money behind the people who really want to do the work. So get in, get involved, and let's, you know, change it.
My name is Lorene Randall Broom, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Lennar, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Lisa, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Sheba, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Bernadette, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Lisa, and my voice makes a difference.
My name is Laurent, and my voice makes a difference.